Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change language in Duolingo. First, open the Duolingo app. Next, tap the profile icon and click Add Course. Scroll down and select More. Mark the language for the selected country, continue, and change to your language. Click on the back button, and as you can see, we have changed our language. That's it, see you later, bye!